Zumba Zumba, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 ways to cover bald spot without getting a surgery. Check it out. The first way to do it is using an airbrush. On my case, I got a cordless airbrush made by Nexen. You can spray the top of the hair with your semi-permanent color of your choice. This way I don't like it too much because the results look kind of fake. Second way to do it is apply the semi-permanent color with the brush. Make sure you apply a lot. Then you grab another brush and you comb it with the grain. This one look good if you're looking from far away. And the last one, and my favorite one, is the hair fibers. You apply the hairspray like that. When you put the hair fiber, they stick to the head. Then you apply the hair fiber like you put in some sazon to the meat. It's very easy. Make sure you cover all the bald spot. At the end, you're gonna have an amazing results. The good thing about all these 3 ways to cover the bald spot, the one with the airbrush is kind of hard to do it yourself, but the last 2 you can do yourself at your house. But I always recommend professionals to do the work. And now you got the before and after. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.